So there are three main principles I use to rack up points at Sushi Go. The first one is for sashimi. That one is a really high value card. If you get three of a kind, you get a ton of points. But if you get two of a kind and not the third one, you have dead cards. So it's a high risk, high reward card. Generally, I don't draft it first because it's a little bit risky to take if everyone's taking it. But if you're confident that everyone else will not be taking it, then it's an okay first pick. Generally, I would say safest is to take it second or third pick. The other card is for pretty big points. It's called the dumpling card. So that's something that gets more points the more you have of that kind. It goes up to, I believe, 5 or 6. And that one is also a little bit sketchy to commit for early without really knowing how the table is like. The last one is a little bit more simple of a hint, which is for chopsticks. It's something you want to use earlier than later where you draft two cards and then substitute for your chopstick.